Hello, good number 8. Welcome to Break Whiskey Box Breaks for the 2014-2015 Upper Deck Series 1 box break number 25. Here's the last one for auction. Here's Edmonton. So the box is NE205-748-299. That's NE205-748-299. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Got a Young Guns canvas of Calle Jarnkrok for the Predators. Game jersey Patrick Marleau for the Sharks. All base pack. A Young Guns Andre Estrazel for the Red Wings. Hockey Heroes Martin St. Louis for the Lightning. Shining Stars Anze Kopitar for the Kings. A game jersey Joe Sakic for the Avalanche. Young Guns Jake McCabe for the Sabres. Canvas Ben Bishop for the Lightning. Shining Stars Team Samples for the Lightning. You got all base pack. Young Guns Calle Jarnkrok for the Predators. Got Canvas John Tavares for the Islanders. Young Guns Yuri Skak for the Canadiens. And we got an all base pack. Shining Stars, Genie event for the Stars. Base pack. Young Guns, Anthony Duclair for the Rangers. Hockey Heroes, Nicholas Lidstrom for the Red Wings. Shining Stars, Phil Kessel for the Leafs. Canvas, Jonathan Toews for the Blackhawks. Young Guns for the Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Johnny Hockey. Shining Stars, Evgeny Malkin for the Penguins. And the last pack. Got exclusives 14 out of 100. Matt Irwin for the Sharks. And then base to finish off the break. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.